Hello everyone, today in this video we will study about it. It is a pronoun and we will use this word anywhere, and in this video we will learn all uses of it. Okay, so don't be confused in how to use it. Okay, so watch this video till the end. First use of it here, personal pronoun for inanimate object and animals. Okay, first use of it here, personal pronoun for inanimate objects and animals. Okay, so it is often used to refer object, ideas or animals, especially when animal's gender is unknown or irrelevant. Okay, so it is often used for refers to object, ideas or animals, but especially when animal's gender is unknown or irrelevant. For example, I found the book. I found the book. It was on the table. It was on the table. So, in this sentence, I is a subject here, but we talk about book. Okay, so book as an object here. So it was on the table. Okay, so there are no any type gender or other things, not any special thing. So as an object here, so we will use it. Okay, as an object here, so we use it. Okay, I found the book. It was on the table. Okay, so let's see next use of it. Next use here, subject pronoun for weather, subject pronoun for weather, time, distance and situational expressions. Okay, as a subjective pronoun, here are four use. First for weather, second for time, third for distance and fourth for situational expressions. Okay, it serves as dummy subject. Okay, it serves as a dummy subject, not a particular or real subject. Is only it is a only dummy subject here. Okay, in expressions about weather, time, distance or situations where no specific subject is needed. Okay, where no specific subject is needed. So let's see example for weather. Okay, weather, it is raining. It is raining, so it as a dummy subject here. Okay, it is a dummy subject here. Okay, it is raining. This sentence is talk about weather. Okay, next for time, it's 3 o'clock time. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. Okay, so this sentence is talk about time. Okay, so time in this sentence, it is a dummy subject here. Okay, so this is for distance. For distance, it's a long way to the beach. It's a long way to the beach. So for distance, it is a dummy subject here in this sentence. For a distance. Okay, so this is right. Next for situational, it seems strange. It seems strange. So in this sentence, it also used as a dummy subject. Okay, so there are fourth way to use it as a dummy subject for weather, time, distance, or situational. Okay, for weather, it's raining. For time, it's 3 o'clock. For distance, it's a long way to the beach. For situational, it seems strange. I hope you guys you understand as a subject pronoun of as a subject pronoun it. Okay, so let's see next use of it. Next, third use of it here, impersonal or dummy subject in journal statements. Okay, impersonal or dummy subject in journal statement. Before this use, we have seen fourth use of it as a dummy subject for weather, for time, for distance, for situational. But for third use for journal statement, like it is used when true subject appears later in the sentence and is to journal to specify. Okay, for example, it is important to be on time. It is important to be on time. So in this sentence is a journal statement. Okay, so here to be on time is a real subject. To be on time is the real subject. Okay, so but it is a dummy subject here. Okay, it is a dummy subject here or impersonal. Okay, so let's see next use of it. Next use here, expletive. It can cleft sentences. Expletive it in cleft sentences. In cleft sentences, it is used for emphasis, splitting the sentence to highlight a particular part. Okay, in cleft sentences, it is used for emphasis, splitting the subject to highlight a particular part. For example, it was Johan. It was Johan who broke the vase. It was Johan who broke the vase. Okay, in this sentence, it as a emphasis, okay, splitting or to highlight a particular part like who. Okay, so it was Johan who broke the vase. Okay, so it is highlight who, that is Rohan. Okay, so let's see next example, next use of it. Next use here as a fifth use, it as an object pronoun. It as an object pronoun. Okay, object pronoun, it can also be used in object in the sub in a sentence. For example, I lost my phone. I lost my phone. I hope I can find it. I can find it. So in this sentence, so there are two sentences here. First, I lost my phone, but in this is first sentence, and second, I can find it. Okay, so in first sentence, no use of it, but in second sentence, it is here. Okay, so it as a objective pronoun here, object for my phone. Okay, object for my phone. I lost my phone. I hope I can find it. It is used for my phone because my phone as an object here in first sentence, but in second sentence for objective pronoun as a objective pronoun it is used here. Okay, so we can say we also use it as a objective pronoun, as a object pronoun. Okay, so let's see next use of it. Next use here, it. It as a placeholder for ideas, situations or statements. Okay, it as a placeholder for ideas, situation or statements. It can refer back to a previously mentioned idea, statement or situation. Okay, previously mentioned already. So let's see with the example. So example here, they told me the movie was good. They told me the movie was good. Okay, but I didn't like it. But I didn't like it. So this sentence, like our first sentence, I have seen already this type sentence, our fifth use of it. Okay, so they told me the movie was good. So the movie as a object here. Okay, so I didn't like it. So did is used for the movie as a object. Okay, but we also can say this is a placeholder for idea, situation or statement also. No problem. I think our fifth use or sixth use is similar. Okay, use or use are similar. Okay, like see our fifth use here as an objective pronoun and our sixth use as a placeholder for ideas, but they are same. Okay, our fifth use or sixth use are same because we use it as a objective pronoun, as a placeholder for ideas, situation or objects. Okay, so let's see next use. So next use here, it is it in existential constructions with infinitives and gerunds. Okay, it in existential constructions with infinitives and gerunds. Okay, like it can introduce infinitive or gerund phrases, often for ease of sentence construction. So let's see example. So it can introduce infinitive or gerund phrases, often for each sentence construction. Okay, so like infinitive means it's hard to understand this theory. It's hard to understand this theory. So I'll introduce infinitive means two plus Bob. Okay, 2 plus verb, we can say it a infinitive. So to understand as an infinitive here, and it is used as an introduction as a subjective pronoun here. Okay, but it's a dummy subject, not real subject. Okay, next, gerund. It's fun swimming in the ocean. It's fun swimming in the ocean. Okay, so as a swimming, swimming is a zealand here. So in both of sentences are used it as a subjective pronoun, dummy subject. Okay, but they are but it also introduce infinitive or gerund phases. Okay, fun swimming. Okay, as a gerund phrase here, to understand as an infinitive here. Okay, so I hope you understand. Let's see next use. Our next use is very important as a idiom, as a idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions, it appears idiomatic expressions where it doesn't refer to anything specific but adds to the expression's meaning. Okay, it appears in idiomatic expressions where it doesn't refer to anything specific but adds to the expression's meaning. Okay, for example, take it easy is a idiomatic expression here. Okay, but it doesn't anything specific but adds to the expression's meaning. Okay, so take it easy, make it happen. Okay, so both of sentences are idiomatic expressions, or it doesn't refer anything specific, but if you add with other expressions, other verbs, they can they give you different specific meaning. Okay, so I hope you guys you understand all uses of it. So after watching this video, don't be confused how to use it and what is happening here about it. It is used for as a dummy subject or as a object pronoun. Okay, so if you like the information, then like, share the video, and also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this, or see you in the next video very soon.